text-based and integrated syllabuses. As you know, we are talking about, different frameworks which we can decide about while planning language course and designing a language syllabus. So we've got text-based and integrated syllabuses. Let's have a look at what text-based syllabus is about. Right. Here we go. Text-based syllabus, it mainly revolves around the use of texts. It could be the shorter discourse or the extended sort of discourse, right? And the main emphasis of this sort of syllabus is, to teach language in its context, right? Because text-based syllabus is based on, teaching language with the help of textual material. So it could allow us to, see the language use in its social and cultural context. So it's normally text-based is seen as a type of integrated syllabus because of its flexible approach, because it can allow us to bring in texts which are based on some topics or themes. And, for example, if we're going to enhance the speaking skills of our students, we could bring in dramas in the classroom to teach this particular skill. So this is why it's called integrated type of syllabus. We've got various advantages of this framework. One of them is, explicit instruction. We could give clear instructions in text-based syllabus, like before starting the text, we could give some instructions about the activities and how we're going to do them. And since it's based on discourse, so we could give social and cultural elements of language learning through literature. And we can also develop language learning skills. For example, we could enhance reading and writing through text-based approach. So text-based is widely practiced for sort of meaningful language learning. So it's important to see in the Pakistani context as well. If we look at the syllabus for grade 11 and 12, so don't you think we've got somewhat text-based approach, because most of the topics are based on some texts, in the form of short stories or essays or novel, and it's the effort is there to teach language through texts, right? So you could analyze its usefulness and its limitations. On the other hand, integrated syllabus, its scope is quite wide, since it allows to make different choices. We could make choice from competency-based syllabus, or we could make choice from text-based syllabus. So, but while deciding about integrated syllabus, we need to be aware of which of the activities are of primary importance and which are of secondary importance. And then this sort of integrated syllabus, since it incorporates various strands of some other syllabuses, for example, competency or skills-based or functional or task-based syllabus. So with this sort of syllabus, we can link grammatical grammar to different skills, and we can also use some tests and tasks which are associated with, certain topics and functions. So this is why, since, texts are based on, have some topics or themes or some units. So this is how it allows us to incorporate various elements of language teaching. So in brief, text-based and integrated syllabuses offer, sort of framework for course planning and syllabus design. So it's entirely up to us, while making decisions about syllabus design, which of the frameworks we think is suitable to our particular language teaching context.